Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to complete form 8962 on TurboTax in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your health insurance premium statements and any other relevant tax documents. Now once you have all that, the next step is going to be to log into TurboTax. So go ahead and sign into your TurboTax account using your email address and your password. Once you're signed into TurboTax, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to complete form 8962 for. And next, you're going to choose form 8962 as your tax form, and then just select start to begin completing the form. Now here you're going to need to enter your health insurance premium information, including the premium amount and the policy period. And once that's entered, you're also going to need to enter your income information, including your adjusted gross income and any other relevant income. And once you have all that, you'll be able to calculate your premium tax credits based on your income and health insurance premium information. So the final step will be to review your completed form 8962 and just make sure that everything is accurate. And once you verify that, you can just go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take it from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to complete form 8962 on TurboTax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.